Hello, and welcome to the tutorial Creating Your Vision Board. A step-by-step guide to visualizing your goals. I am Dr. Prerna Kohli, clinical psychologist and founder of MindTribe. At MindTribe, we provide affordable counseling, support groups, communities, workshops, and e-learning for improving mental health. Setting goals is a concept that is very familiar to all of us and is something that we all engage in at every point in our lives. It is the process of outlining certain objectives or desired outcomes that we wish to achieve and that we work towards. While, to a lot of people, setting goals may come naturally, it is often something that is challenging to keep up with. In a world that is constantly evolving, it is no surprise that people feel overwhelmed with all they wish to achieve. Anecdotal evidence, along with research, shows that the main reason why so many people drop their goals is the lack of motivation, or they do so simply because they feel too overwhelmed to follow up with the numerous goals that they had set. Fortunately, many ways have been formulated with which one can stick to their goals and achieve success. The vision board is one such tool. Roughly, this tool can be understood as a visual representation of a particular concept using images, illustrations, and/or words. In general, it is a goal-manifesting collage that transforms dreams into action through inspiring words and pictures. Today, I will be guiding you through the innovative process of creating your very own vision board, and the main aim today is to help you do goal setting effectively and creatively. When completed, your vision board will serve as a great visual reminder and motivator, and that is exactly why it has been proven to be effective. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on creating your self-care vision board. The first step is to set your goals, as well as its priority order. Before you begin creating your vision board, come up with a list of all the things you want to achieve as of now and your aspirations from the past. Vision boards can include your aspirations for the year ahead and any thoughts or feelings you want to bring into your life. Take some time to reflect on your goals and intentions. What areas of your life do you want to focus on? It can be related to finances, academics, career, health, hobbies, relationships, how you want to feel, where you want to live, and so on. For more inspiration on what goals you can include in your vision board, you may also utilize the internet and the N number of examples available in articles, blogs, or social media posts. Also, remember to describe your goals in vivid detail. For example, if you are saving for a vacation, do not just write, "save money for trip." Describe every simple detail like, which country and city you'd like to go to, what flights you would want to take, what attractions you want to visit, and other details related to expenses that you may incur during the vacation. Do also set a priority order for the goals selected and organize them into immediate, short-term, and long-term goals. You can define your own time frame of what immediate, short-term, and long-term mean. Try to include those goals that you genuinely believe you can achieve in the time frame you have decided and that fit with your lifestyle and values. Remember, goal setting is not a one-size-fits-all approach, and it is important to find what works best for you. The second step is to gather your supplies. To get started with the vision board, you may need a cardboard sheet or corkboard for the base, magazines, newspapers, and printed images for the pictures, and other necessary items such as scissors, glue, tape, markers, and pens. You can also use items to help you decorate your board such as stickers, post-it notes, paints, and so on. If you wish to make a digital vision board, you can simply utilize any available drawing or notes app. There are also specific apps and websites available where you can make your vision board. The next step is to choose your images. These must represent your goals and intentions. Look for images that resonate with you and are related to the goals you outlined in the first step. You can use magazines, newspapers, or print images from the internet. The fourth step involves arranging and gluing the images. Once you've gathered your images, start arranging them on your poster board. The arrangement can be a collage-style board with overlapping pictures or a more structured style. For inspiration, you may search for some examples of vision boards on social media sites like Pinterest and Instagram. Then, the next step involves adding text and personal touches. You can use markers or pens to write down affirmations, quotes, or words representing your goals. If you are making a digital board, you may use the various tools available on the applications and websites. You may also add personal touches like photos, stickers, paint, or making doodles to make the board more attractive. And finally, display your board. Once your vision board is complete, display it where you'll see it often, in your bedroom, office, or meditation space. Take a few moments each day to look at your board and use it as a reminder of your goals and intentions. Let it inspire and motivate you to act towards creating a more balanced and fulfilling life. Once you have completed your vision board, it may help to discuss its contents with someone. You can discuss it with your family, friends, a therapist, or anyone else you trust. I suggest doing so because research has found that sharing your goals with people makes you more likely to achieve them and creates a fruitful starting point for behavioral change. Additionally, keeping a log of the activities that you can undergo, say every month, will help a lot in your journey as it will allow you to develop self-awareness and maintain consistency. So, there we go. A quick guide to a simple yet powerful tool for manifesting your aspirations. With your vision board, you are now equipped with a tool that will serve as a reminder, inspiration, and motivator for you to effectively go about your journey in achieving the goals you have set for yourself. Once again, it is crucial to remember that goal achieving and the setting is a unique experience for everyone, and what is right for you may not be right for someone else. So be free to pick whatever works best for you. Before I leave, let us come together and verbalize some positive affirmations. Today, I will strive to do my best. My hard work will pay off. I have the power to create the success I desire. I am filled with focus and concentration towards my goals. And now, it is time to wrap up. I hope this tutorial was comprehensive and you were able to follow along. If there are any doubts, please drop them in the comments section below, and I will gladly clear them up. I wish you all the best in your journey. Thanks for tuning in, and take care.